I'm concerned about the impact on the middle class.
What the hell was that?
I think the Democrats are waiting for the governor to just crack his 661st home run. Alex Rodriguez hit one.
Oh, hey, that fine truck had to run.
Let that fine girl pass you by. Look real close, the strobe light. Turn the music, let's get it started. Go ahead, shake it. I'm looking for a girl with a
Just fucking stupid. Jesus Christ. What the hell is that? You're on the wrong side of the road. What's that guy doing?
What are you doing?
What are you doing? The wiper had to have run. Last minute, oh my god. And you go after the arrow ends too. That is not a dual turn. That was smart.
Special effects, but this is just a series of furious fights against an army
Not on the
of
railroad
robots and a huge
tracks.
robot voiced by James Spader. That's Lions
Yeah,
Radio.
since
I'm Jeffrey Lyons, WCBS
Current
News
Pro, you had to
Radio,
do it.
880.
Need to earn more credits toward your college
Why not
degree?
you?
Interested in a bargaining agreement with players. Baseball action yesterday. Red Sox beat Seattle 2-1. Tampa Bay beat the
Seriously?
Yankees 6-1. Cubs beat the Mets 6-5.
Illegal U-turn. Come on, go! Come on, go already. The light's green. Go. Oh, you've got to be kidding me. There's a big, huge gap a quarter mile ago.
Sit there and be like, okay, let's see, what do I want?
What
So
are
many
you
things
doing?
there. I don't even know what habit is this. Okay. Let's see. I'll have sun-dried tomatoes.
Sure you want that, Liam?
Okay.
Oh, fuck you.
You have to do everything you can to keep it. I don't want to sound like Dr. Ruth, like I'm a sex therapist.
Oh, that's even bigger. Fuck you, right up there.
I'm a wrinkled, biologically decayed loser ass. Down, keep that empty feeling again.
Turn signal?
I wish to God that you
That's so hard to operate.
take a joke at each other's lives.
Nope, no you're not. At least not in front of me, you're not. Ah, fucking Mercedes.
So kind of like the Edgar Allan Poe fucking stand up. And I think I have his clothes on too. But
What was the point of doing that? Why'd you do that? Oh, don't! Keep going! Whoa! Jeez! That took me by surprise. Whoa! What the hell was that? That could have been done better. Damn it! Jeez. Oh, get out of the left lane, bus. Yeah, and cut off people while you do. Okay. Oh, is that truck really running on the shoulder? Oh, fucking asshole. What the fuck are people doing? He moved left and now he's over to the right. Now he's back to the left again. What the hell? Where are you going that way? That's just the dumbest thing I've ever seen in my life. Whoa, careful! Fuck you! Signal! Oh, just a minute. Oh. Bitch. Oh my. What are you doing? Signal? Oh, the brake check. That's just fucking grand. Oh, that jogging asshole. Oh no. What the hell? You've got to be kidding me. Oh, carrying a school children. Running a red light. Come on, move! Move your ass! What are you doing? Oh, just fucking ran a red light. Come on, go! You've got to be kidding me.
Than the award-winning care you'll find at the Valley.
Would be too little, too late.
There's no reason for you to go in my lane and cause me to slow down.
I begin to have seizures.
Get out of the left lane. You're pulling a trailer.
Full with rugs and stunning furniture for every room of your house. Save up to 70%.
Fuck you.
4 days only. May 14 through 17.
Oh, two across the bullnose up there.
La la la.
Because of God.
We used to the two and two, but took the one. Get away, still got a gun, and you took up a compensation. And then miles of delicious food that they're not eating because that's how they stay gorgeous and cut. And then there's me, who's like, who let the bridge troll in here? How the fuck did...
Sitting at green. Oh, there he goes.
Did someone not answer his 3 questions and he escaped? This guy's...
I don't know if you can do this in Massachusetts, but in New York State, you can, through the DMV, get license plates that...
Fuck you.
are basically...
Roll right through the stop.
American League and vice versa. All right, let's go to Conrad on Long Island. You're on the fan. Conrad?
Wow.
Good morning, Richard.
Holy shit. Why'd you do that? Yeah, fucking Chevy. Is that a Vail? Or a Malibu? Looks like Malibu. Left from right turn lane. Wow. Going right through the red light. Of course he had to.
Right. Yes, but that's called paying attention, at least. Very much so. That game was interesting. Emotion. Terry Collins wanted to.
They were curious and a little concerned.
Move your ass. Yeah, it's softball. Come on. Why'd you do that? You don't want to be that close behind a truck. How's that Yeah, come on.
In the world of soccer, WCBS reporter Paul Marines in Brooklyn for charges against 14
damn it!
officials and corporate
Fuck
executives
you!
will be unveiled this morning. This was a 24-year scheme. Benefits as a farm. He's growing bushes and maintaining his bees. I think it's well within what somebody can do with a vacant residential lot.
The village says it sounds like a commercial farm operation which would require a permit, and the beekeeping is banned in residential neighborhoods.
WCBS News Time 8:35. Our assistant.
Jesus Christ. Whoa, Jesus.
The highly skilled doctors at the Osteo Relief Institute are using laser-guided hologic digital imaging to guide an FDA-approved cushioning and lubricating material.
RTK Environmental. What's up, Chris Majet?
You know, it seems like every single day it's the same thing on the Cross Bronx Expressway, bumper to bumper.
But you can't help but look at that inflatable roadside attraction. In that moment, your 2015 Mercedes-Benz E-Class sees something too. It's radar-based technology senses a car stopping short at a speed and distance.
Oh, what the? Shit. And he had plenty of room to turn, too. Yeah, I got... Wow. Turned right on red. Or left on red. G1W or... sitting at green. Center turn lane. The best of me. Where'd that guy go?
No trucks in the left lane, no, you cannot be there. And it's for real this time because we're in Connecticut and there's no trucks allowed in the left lane. No, you cannot be there. This is not voiceover. Recorded 8 years from now. No, it's not. I'm recording this live as I'm driving. I've been singing this song for years. You guys have not been paying attention. Oh well. Well, this is the end of the video. I hope you like it. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Yay! All right, see you in the next video. Okay, bye.